Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on loading in data into RDS Analyst. So one of the first things that you're going to want to do in any sort of analysis is to load in your data. Right now, one of the easiest ways is if you have it in a comma-separated format or a CSV file that you can export from Excel or whatever tool you happen to be collecting your data in. We have here a New York jazz data set, jazz musicians that were collected with an RDS designed for quite some time ago. And here we see the general structure of the data. We have the subject's ID, the size of their network, the coupon that they were given, and then their recruitment coupons, the coupons that they handed out to other individuals. So we're going to go ahead and load this into RDS Analyst. I can see that I have the data here on my desktop. So I go into RDS Analyst and I go into File, Import RDS Data. Here I go to my desktop and I select the New York Jazz data set. Here you can see that it has the New York Jazz, and then the name that we're going to assign it in our workspace is New York NYGJAZZ. So go ahead and open that. And here gives us a couple of options about how to import it, and to make sure that everything looks all right. It's automatically detected that we've got a header here and that we're in comma-separated, that it's a comma-separated file. Other text formats you can bring in separately. And strings are quoted with double quotes. So go ahead and load that in. That loads the raw data in. And now we have to specify what the actual recruitment structure is. So I go ahead and list out all of the different recruitment structure information here. The first element that we're going to want to specify is the column representing the subject's ID. This needs to be a unique value. The second is the size of the network of each individual, their visibility within the population. And then the coupon that they currently have goes into subject's coupon. The coupons that they give out are listed right here. Additionally, if we've collected recruitment time, that can be useful in a number of different analysis types. We can go ahead and collect that right here and put that in as a column. So go ahead and run that conversion. And then we can actually look at the data inside RDS Analyst in the data viewer. And we see that we've got here all of our data, the different variables, their types, and then we've also got the recruitment information here. The first thing you're going to want to make sure to do once you've loaded in your data is to make sure that you had the recruitment chain all specified correctly. The easiest and way to just get a good idea of whether the recruitment was correctly entered is to go ahead and plot the recruitment tree. And when you plot that recruitment tree, you get to see each seed and the trees that come off of them. A lot of the times, if you have incorrectly entered in coupon numbers or made other data entry errors, you'll see a lot of unconnected seeds that don't belong to the trees that they're supposed to belong to. So now that our data is in RDS Analyst, we can go ahead and perform additional analyses, which we will cover in other videos.